In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a successful print-on-demand t-shirt business without spending any money up front. I'll be sharing some of my own experiences, including my stats from the last 30 days and one of my hottest selling designs. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to explore a new business opportunity, this video will walk you through the entire process. By the end, you'll be ready to start your own e-commerce business from the comfort of your laptop, with no investment, design skills, or fulfillment required. Let's dive in. What is print-on-demand? First things first, if you're not familiar with the print-on-demand, let me give you a quick overview. Print-on-demand is a business model that allows you to sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and wall prints without having to keep any inventory. The best part? You don't have to handle any printing or shipping. Everything is managed by an external printing company like Printful, which we'll be using in this video. With Printful, you can sell a wide range of blank products with your own designs. When someone makes a purchase, Printful prints the product and ships it directly to the customer. This makes POD a fantastic way to earn passive income because once everything is set up, the business can run almost entirely on autopilot. Why t-shirts? In this video, we'll be focusing on t-shirts. Why? Because they offer a great profit margin and are quick to produce, easy to ship, and have relatively low shipping costs. Plus, who doesn't love a cool t-shirt? The only thing you need to worry about is creating the designs, but don't stress. I'll show you how to make simple designs that sell like hotcakes. Setting up your Printful account. To get started, the first thing you need to do is create a free Printful account. I've included a link to Printful in the description of the video that you can use to sign up and set up your account. Once you've created your account, you'll be greeted by the Printful dashboard. Don't worry about all the settings just yet. We'll come back to that after we've created our first design. One of the reasons we're going to be using Printful is because it makes the whole print-on-demand business model very easy. Using Printful personally, I've been able to gross over a little over $3,000 on a monthly basis with my Printful account. And the best part is, most of my sales are coming from my Etsy store, which is connected to my Printful account. It is a seamless process. When someone buys a t-shirt from my Etsy store, Printful handles the rest, printing and shipping. So I don't have to lift a finger. Why Etsy is the perfect marketplace? Etsy is one of the best platforms for selling print-on-demand products, especially t-shirts. The site gets between 300 to 500 million visits every month, with customers specifically looking for unique and custom-made items, exactly what we're offering. Printful integrates directly with Etsy, so when an order is placed, the entire process is automated. Creating an Etsy store is straightforward, and usually you have to pay about 20 cents for each listing. However, by using the link in the description of the video, you'll get 40 free listings to kickstart your store. I'll show you how to make the most out of those free listings later in the video. Creating your first t-shirt design. Now let's talk about the fun part. Designing your t-shirts. You might think you need to be an expert designer to succeed in this business, but that's not true. Some of the best-selling designs are incredibly simple. For instance, one of my designs that's currently selling well is a WNBA t-shirt inspired by trends amongst the WNBA sport lovers. The key to successful t-shirt designs is understanding what your target audience wants. Let's look at an example. I found a t-shirt on Etsy with Caitlin Clark image on it. It's super simple, yet it has generated over 1,700 sales, translating to a total revenue of $39,100 from this one design. After expenses, that's around $10,200 in profit. Pretty amazing for something so simple, right? Now I'll show you how to create your own designs using tools like Canva and Printful's inbuilt design maker. We'll even explore how to find royalty-free images to use in your designs, making the process even easier. Designing with Canva and Printful. There are several ways to design your t-shirts. The easiest way is using Printful's inbuilt design maker, where you can add text, clip art, or even use pre-made designs. But if you want more creativity, Canva is an excellent tool. It offers tons of templates and design elements that you can customize to fit your niche or target audience. For those looking to add unique elements to their designs, I recommend using royalty-free image sites like Pixabay. I used a vector from Pixabay for WNBA t-shirt design, added some fun elements in Canva, and it turned out to be a great seller. Once you've created your design in Canva, download it with a transparent background and upload it to Printful. From there, you can create a product template choosing the t-shirt style and color that you want to offer in your store. setting up your Etsy store. With your t-shirt design ready, it's time to set up your Etsy store. Start by naming your shop and creating your first listing. Don't worry too much about the details in this initial listing. We'll be updating it later when we connect it to Printful. After your Etsy store is set up, head back to Printful to connect your store to the Printful account. Once connected, you can easily push your t-shirt designs from Printful to Etsy, where they'll be ready for customers to buy. SEO and marketing tips. Now let's talk about how to get your products noticed on Etsy. When creating your Etsy listings, be sure to use as many relevant keywords as possible in the title, description, and tags. This will help your products appear in search results when potential customers are looking for items like yours. Etsy shoppers often scroll through many listings before finding something that they like, so having an eye-catching design is crucial. You can use Printful's mockup generator to create lifestyle images that show your t-shirts being worn by real people. This can help your listing stand out and attract more buyers. It's also a good idea to diversify your designs by targeting both evergreen niches and trending events. For example, while my WNBA t-shirt was a hit because of its timelines, it's also important to have designs that sell consistently year-round, like those in the astrology or hobby niches. Launching and scaling your business. Once your listings are live on Etsy, the work doesn't stop there. Continuously monitor which designs are selling well and which ones aren't. Over time, replace underperforming designs with new ones, and experiment with different niches and events to see what resonates with your audience. Remember, this is a numbers game. The more high-quality listings you have, the more sales you'll likely make. And as you gain reviews and traction, your products will start ranking higher in Etsy's search results, leading to even more sales. Starting a print-on-demand t-shirt business is not only possible without any upfront investment, but it can also be incredibly profitable. By following the steps I've outlined in this video, using Printful, creating simple yet effective designs, and leveraging Etsy as your marketplace, you can set up a passive income stream that grows over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on building successful online businesses. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Cheers!